Good evening, Farmer Joe here. I'm just going to make a Bolognese sauce. So I'm going to use a red onion, 4 cloves of garlic, tin of tomato puree, tin of chopped tomatoes, plum tomatoes. I'm going to use a little bit of oregano, a bit of mixed herb, a bit of salt and pepper, small bit of virgin olive oil. So now if you wanted to make a chili sauce, all you do then is just add in the chili powder, or a bit of paprika and a bit of white pepper if you want to make a chili sauce. But I'm going to just make this up now. Hang on. So I've just diced up the onion there. It's left it hot big. And I'm just going to add the 2 cans now. That's the plum tomatoes gone in there now. And I'm just going to add in the, just hang on a second. Just 1 tin of plum tomatoes. I'm going to add in a tin of chopped tomatoes now. Just add into the tin of chopped tomatoes. Now I'm just going to add in the garlic and the red onion. Just added the garlic and the red onion. I'm going to blend them together, and then I'm going to add the tin of, or the tube of tomato puree. Hang on a sec. I'm just going to blend that up now. I'm just going to blend that. I'm just going to blend them sauces now. I'm just going to blend them together. That's all that blended together now. I'll just add a tube of tomato puree now. So that's the tomato puree I just added. I'm just going to mix that through. Hang on a second. Now there's a good consistency of that sauce there. You know. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add salt and pepper, and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Just salt and pepper. A bit of Himalayan salt, a bit of black pepper. Just going to mix that through now. Now I've just tasted it. That's a good taste of that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make up a chili sauce, and I'm going to make a Bolognese sauce. So I'm going to just divide this up in 2. Hang on a sec. So I'm going to make the chili sauce here, and I'm going to make the Bolognese sauce here. So I'll make the Bolognese sauce first. So I'm just going to put in a bit of mixed herbs and a bit of oregano. And that's what I did there, look. So that'll be my Bolognese sauce. Just hold on and mix that through now. I'm just going to fold that through now. Just hang on a sec. Now I'll make the chili sauce. Bit of white pepper. Nice bit of white pepper. Hang on a sec. The reason why I put the white pepper in, because you're going to see the chili powder and the paprika going on top of the white pepper. Hang on. Bit of chili powder. Bit of chili powder. Hang on a sec. Bit of paprika. So there you go now, that's it. Hang on a sec. Just mix that through now. So that's the chili sauce. And if you heat them up, the Bolognese sauce and the chili sauce, they're absolutely beautiful. No sugars, you know, perfect. Hang on. So that's me now, Farmer Joe. Bolognese sauce. I'm going to do something nice with lamb during the week there with a bit of salad. I'm going to chili sauce there as well. Listen, all have a nice evening, Farmer Joe. Bye bye now.